So I'm wearing a nice shirt to go out tonight, and I'm wearing colourful board shorts because that's all I've got to wear. I'm out of clothes. They're all getting washed.
Is that same as your room? Do you think so?
So yeah, let's go out for dinner. Come on, Jaden, let's go. All right, let's go for dinner. Let's go. Three Little Rascals. Alright, we're off in another tuk-tuk, going to the restaurant tonight for dinner. Double my carb, sabadi mai. I'm going to try and do a better food review than I have the last few nights. Last few nights the food's been so amazing I've forgotten to like describe what we're eating and show you, so we'll see if we can bring you along for the ride. And we're here. This is the place here. Right, so the restaurant's called Jumbo. This is it's at the Hotel Garn. Got some games here for the kids. Got a beautiful window. Swadika. Wanting to eat at Jumbo in here. Carp. It's a Hotel Garn, so they've actually got a swimming pool here, which is amazing. A little pool. This looks like it's the restaurant. Just the restaurant, Jumbo. Yep, Spuddy Carp. Oh, the stewed pork, the mu hong. Well, it was like that other restaurant. Everyone came 7:30, 8 o'clock.
Yeah. Hotel, yeah.
Stewed pork and local brown sweet sauce.
So mu hong, carp. We had some pork belly here that was like the pork fat. So this is like a meat, and you can see the lemongrass in there. That's the stewed pork, carp. And do you have any dried chili? Dried chili? Dried chili? Cup? More? I don't reckon it'll be spicy. And this is the dish here with the shrimp paste, and then the raw veggies on the side. So you got some raw carrots, cucumber, some basil leaves, some Thai eggplant, some beans. Beautiful. Some okra, Get these ones here we had the other night at the other restaurant.
Eat it with that.
Yeah, and you dip it in here, yeah.
So you got the eggplant.
They use a lot of salad.
So we'll order probably eight dishes tonight, and they're all like quite little servings, but absolutely beautiful, and real homely flavours. Tastes like home cooking, doesn't taste like other restaurants we've been to. Yeah, really beautiful flavours. The eggplant dish was almost like in a green curry sort of base. The mu hong, which is braised in Chinese 5 spices. Put the fish here. We have like a meat dish in the lemongrass, which is beautiful. And then we've got like a fermented fish paste, which you eat with the raw veggies to cleanse the palate. Beautiful.
Yum.
Yummy.
Yummy.
How do I mac? Alright, so the kids are very tired, so we've asked for the bill, and it's time to head home. So we'll let you know how much the bill is shortly. So the total bill came to 2,500. So probably the biggest bill we've had since we've been here. But it's Michelin guided restaurant. So, and we ordered like literally everything on the menu, plus our drinks. So can't complain.
$9.99.
All right, so we got the restaurant to organise a taxi for us. And the guy who picked us up wanted to charge 300 baht to go back to the sands. And our hotel's only just up the road. And we know it's a tourist area and all that, but we didn't want to pay that much. So anyway, we said, no thank you, and he wouldn't budge. So we waited not even 1 minute later, and one of the tuk-tuks from our hotel drove past and stopped, and it's 200 baht. So not bad considering there's 7 people. And yeah, we're heading back to the hotel, and yeah, probably call it a night.